Hello students, welcome to our GK online class. Students, when we wake up early in the morning, then the first voice to hear is birds chirping. Right? So today I am going to tell you few birds' name. Children, please open page number 19. We love birds. Identify these birds by writing the correct letters in the boxes. Choose your answers from the help box. Here is help box. Identify this bird. Vulture. Second, ostrich. Third, pelican. Fourth, sparrow. Fifth, turkey. Sixth, white kiwi. Seventh, penguin. 8, woodpecker. And 9, kingfisher. Okay. Do you know ostrich is the largest living bird on the earth that cannot fly? And kiwi is the national symbol of New Zealand. Okay. I'll explain again with the spelling. Lesson number 8, page number 19. Bird's name. vulture. Vulture. ostrich. Ostrich. pelican. Pelican. sparrow. Sparrow. turkey. Turkey. white. kiwi. White. Kiwi. penguin. Penguin. wood. pecker. Wood. Pecker. king. fisher. Fisher. King fisher. Okay, bye.